Ice skates seem to glide effortlessly on ice. Have you ever stopped and wondered how it happens?
Today is day 6 of trying to learn something new about the world around us and share it with you guys. And today we're learning about the science of ice skating.
Well, in reality, the way that ice skates operate isn't fully understood yet, and there continues to be new research being released about the topic. There do, however, exist theories that try to explain the phenomena of ice skating.
The earliest theory is that there is a tremendous amount of pressure occurring between the blade and the ice, and this pressure is causing the ice to melt, which allows the skater to flow across the ice. However, when this theory was tested mathematically, it was deemed that the average skater was simply too light to create a significant melting effect on the ice.
Another theory is that it is actually the friction between the blade and the ice that allows the skate to glide over it smoothly. However, this more so explains why the ice is melting behind the traveling skate, but doesn't really explain why the ice is slippery when you stand on it directly. So solid ice is actually thought to have a small thin layer of liquid water sitting directly on top of it. So this thin layer is what makes the ice slippery and wet even though it's in its solid state. And it's theorized that the skate is able to glide on this layer. Although scientists tend to agree on the existence of this layer, they still aren't convinced on its significance on the slipperiness of the ice when it comes to skating. Research on this topic continues to be conducted, so hopefully we'll have a final answer soon. If you enjoyed this video, follow along for more.